Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to import data into Salesforce using the almighty powerful data loader tool. But before we dive into all of it, if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting content. We upload new videos every now and then, and to our all returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. We love having you as a part of this fantastic community. So let's get right into it. First, all you gotta do is go to your browser of choice. So my web browser right now is Google Chrome, but it's compatible to Brave, Microsoft Edge, Safari, and whatnot. And then once you've successfully go to salesforce.com, if you do not have an account yet, please create one. Okay, and once you create your account, log in using your credentials. All right, so when you are going to load the data, simply what you can do is go to home first, like here. And then if you are using this one, the if you already installed the developer data loader, it will give you an option here where you can custom object and export the data that you would like to import, right? So let me just share to you that importing data into Salesforce offers a lot of reasons and advantages. For one, it saves you time and effort, basically, because when you are dealing with large volumes of data, manual data entry is time consuming and prone to errors, which can be mitigated through data import. Now, importing data ensures that all records follow a consistent format and adhere to predefined standards. This consistency is crucial for data quality and reporting. Now, data imports are essential when migrating from another CRM system or when moving data between Salesforce and Sandbox to production, right? Because here, you can easily identify and quickly update multiple records at once, whether it's to change ownership, assign leads to the right sales rep, or update contact information. And data import facilitates integration with other systems, and you can import any of it into other applications. And once the data imports are handy when converting leads to opportunities and accounts, you can always assign owners and update information seamlessly. Now, since we're talking about manual data entry, it's really prone to errors such as typos, inaccuracy, and data imports minimizes the risk of these errors. Now, I'd like you to know that Salesforce provides various data import tools, allowing you to choose the most suitable method for your specific needs, whether you're working with the data loader, import wizard, or another tool. Data imports are scalable, making them equally useful for small businesses and large enterprises, and you can import as many as records as necessary. Okay, so we have a previous video about the data loader. All you gotta do is go here in developer.salesforce.com. See, you have the browse trials here. All you gotta do is just read all the information here. It can support the Windows 10 and Windows 11. You download that, install it. Now you will be having a different interface from what I have, because you can basically go to home right beside sales, and you can see an option of import here. And then once you successfully imported the data, remember that it is scalable, making them useful for small businesses and large enterprises. And again, you can import as many as records as necessary. And I believe it is really essential for maintaining data quality, accuracy and consistency. The industry and most people in the businesses right now believe it's a powerful tool for data management, enabling organizations to efficiently manage their customer information and make informed decisions. Okay, And most importantly, it's viable and handy. And most often than not, you can always ensure that you are complying with your company policies, making your data entry imports very hygienic, and identify and rectifying duplicates or even records. You can always manually delete it on the import data tool. Okay, that's how good it is. And once again, I believe that's the wrap for today's video. If you find this video very helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching this video and for making our small community grower. If you have any suggested topics you would like us to cover in the future, just let us know in the feedback. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much, guys. Peace.